Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am unboxing a Melody Susie nail box. These boxes are available as a subscription or just a single box on their website. However, Melody Susie also gave me a discount code that you can use with them, and I will put that on the screen here. I am so excited for this PR because this is, oh my gosh, this is the first video of a lot of firsts for me coming up, so I'm really excited. And I have also seen other people unbox these, and I just think it's so awesome. You really don't know what to expect, but I love their packaging. So it says, open your new nail art journey. I just thought that was so cute. And these boxes are perfect for someone who is like just starting out for nails, for example, or if you're someone like me and you just love to do nails all the time, you can't go wrong with a few extra tools and a couple of backups. So I really loved this box. As you can see here, we got some really pretty gold moon stars, heart charms. I have a lot of these, so I didn't take them out of the bag. Some of the stuff I might actually put in my giveaway as well. That's another reason why I haven't done my giveaway yet, is because I just have some things on the way that I might include in there. So you just never know. And then I did decide to take these ones out because they were pretty hard to see, but these are some really cute Christmas charms, and I actually don't have any of these, but I do plan on getting some more. I don't know. I guess now would be a good time to kind of shop for Christmas charms and stuff like that because it's the middle of the year and they're always on sale right now. So yeah, maybe I'll ramp up on those. But then I also found this bit, so I'm going to go ahead and flash some pictures up of this as well. It's $10 on their website individually. I was trying to find the name of it, but you'll see on the bottom of the box, it actually has like a little, not a barcode, but like a, gosh, I can't even think of it on the bottom of the box. So that's what I use to look up the item number, there you go. And once I looked it up, then I was able to find what it is, but it has this really pretty like ruby on top of the drill bit, and I just thought that was really cute. And you will see me use that in today's video as well. This next item I was really excited about. I did not know what it was, and when I opened it, I was like, yes, oh my gosh. So this is actually a cuticle bit cleaner, and you're going to see me struggle a little bit here as well because I cannot figure out how to get the lid on. It's like the most simple thing, but I wanted to make sure that the opening was like in the correct spot and things like that, and I do show you how I use this later on, or how it can be used to help you clean your drill bits and get all of the dust out. It's been a really long week and we've been really busy at work, which means I talk all day long, like literally all day, and I'm really tired. I actually have a really bad headache right now, so it's just not helping the situation. Yeah, so I apologize if I am stumbling through this video or I just sound like really crazy, but I eventually did get the lid on and we will move on to the next item. So I was also surprised by how packed this box was. I mean, it's literally just full of goodies that will come in handy so much. These are nail files. I have used these and they are wonderful. You get 5 in this little package here. They are washable, which I don't know if I would really wash them, but I do plan on using them when I do until like the wheels fall off. I use these on myself personally, and I just look how smooth the grain looks. Like, they're not super grainy. They don't leave a ton of dust. Like, these are really nice files, and I am considering investing in more of those for sure. And then they also sent over some nail tips, and I'm a little torn on if I want to keep these or if I want to give them away because I really like them, but I also just bought some square tips very similar to this. I will probably keep these, so if they send me any PR in the future, then I can use these tips in my videos because I hardly ever do square nails because I really love coffin or stiletto nails, but I really like these nail tips. They are very firm and they fit very well, very sturdy. So I definitely look forward to using those at some point in the future. I probably will end up just keeping them, like I said, because I know that sometimes for PR, they also send out gel polishes, which, you know, I love my gel polishes and things like that. And then, but I almost missed something at the bottom of the box, and I was like, so I'm really glad that I moved the paper around just to make sure I got everything out. And then once I moved the box, these are just some lint-free wipes. I shouldn't say they're just lint-free wipes because they actually are really, really nice. I have used those as well. And then I got these really nice, you know, I could never go wrong with some nail art, right? I've used these brushes too, since this video, and they are really, really good. And I really love them. I used them on my Pinkie Pie set that I'll put a picture up most recently, or that I posted most recently on my Instagram, and they are just really, really good quality. They are Kolinsky brushes, and then they come in size 0 to 00 and 000. So yeah, you know your girl loves some nail art brushes. So this is kind of a recap of everything that I got, and coming up, you are going to see how I use some of these items. So this bit is an extra course bit, so I decided to just go ahead and do a demonstration on how to remove product with it. Is basically what I'm going to be using it for. I really like carbide bits, but I feel like they burn a little bit more than what are those other ones that I use? The white ones. I can't think of the name of those now. But as you can see, I started out on a really, really low setting, and it just kept like slipping off of my finger. So I did turn it up a little bit more, but I didn't want to go too fast, right? Because I've never used an extra coarse bit before, and I really did not want to mess up my hands. Like when I'm using my non-dominant hand right now, but when I start using my right hand, which is my dominant hand, then I go a little faster and, you know, really debulk the product. But I was just going a little more gentle using my non-dominant hand and my drill. I definitely was like not trying to hurt myself with this bit. So here I am, I'm just putting it in forward instead of reverse. What I really liked about this bit and just filing down gel polish over these, I had on full cover tips, and it did not get or leave a lot of residue in the drill bit. Sometimes when you're using drill bits, you can see like those little white areas where you filed down. It did more so with this dip powder, which is an acrylic, you know, basically like an acrylic base. So it did start leaving little rings, as you can see here with the acrylic, more than it did. But it's, even though it's an extra coarse bit, it's still filing things off very, very fine. And I really, really like that. Because then there wasn't like dust flying completely everywhere all over the place. It was staying pretty central, like over my paper towel and things like that. And pretty much like only on my fingers and not flying everywhere. So I would not recommend using this as like a cuticle bit to seal your cuticles, but it was really, really good at debulking all of this product. And you can see it's just moving very easily over the nail, and it's actually moving very smooth. And I just really, really liked it. So I was like, you know what? I'm getting ready to soak off these nails anyway. So let's just go ahead and get all of this product off of here. So now that I am complete with removing as much product as I wanted to, I did go ahead and soak it in alcohol while I was doing the rest of my prep and things like that, and just kind of getting everything, you know, finished up or whatever the case may be. So I already had one nail pop off. That always happens every time I change my bedding. I always lose one nail. I don't know what it is about changing my bed sheets. I always have just that one that just doesn't want to hang on for whatever reason. So I just went ahead and trimmed that one down. And like I said, I'm just letting that drill bit soak for a little bit. Soaking it in alcohol just gets all of that, you know, cakey stuff off of the drill bit and things like that. And it's just my preference on how I like to clean my drill bits. Some people might use acetone or they might have an actual sanitizer, but I only use my drill bits on myself as of right now, so I don't use like the whole full sterilization process. I just like my drill bits to be clean. So soaking them in alcohol is perfectly fine. Now, I used to use one of these old like brushes to clean, like, yeah, this little drill bit right here is what I used to clean my drill bits with, right? I would put it in my drill and then I'd hold the drill bit and like brush it out basically after I soaked it in alcohol. But with this little cleaner, the nice thing about it is it has this little dome, as long as you don't file the sides while you're cleaning it. But I show you how I use this drill bit cleaner on both sides and I really, really like it. It was very easy to make sure you get all those other little dust particles out of there after you clean it. And here it is, still spinning and looking really nice. And I'll also show you what it looks like while it's not going. But yeah, it just feels and looks like really clean. And I really, really love that thing. Like, that is going to help me out a ton. So yeah, but here is everything again all together. So thank you again so much for Melody Susie for sending this to me. I will be using these products throughout a lot of my other videos. And of course, I want to thank you all so much for being the best part of my channel. And don't forget to check out one of these gift boxes. Everything is linked down below, and I will see you in my next video.